Assalamu alaikum. I am Saif, ID 17135196. I am from Daffodil International University, Department of Software Engineering, Batch 22. Okay, I am here to act a presentation of a topics of digital electronics subject. So, what is this? This is SOP with Kmap simplification. Mainly here is two terms. One is SOP and one is Kmap simplification. What is SOP means? SOP means sum of products. Mainly for an equation or a logical expression, the min term and max term to be described by two ways. One is SOP and two is POS. SOP means sum of products and POS means product of sum. And I will explain about SOP with Kmap simplification. To do this, I need a equation, logical expression. So from that equation we will draw logical expression later. This is my equation to solve SOP. Mainly I do SOP with this example. So let's see. So what is the rules to do SOP? To do SOP with this equation, we have to fill up each and every variable with these four common variable. That means A, B, C, D. So to do this, at first we just multiply this equation with one to another. A naught B into C plus A naught B D naught plus A C naught. So as I told previously that each and every part of this equation, so this is A naught B C, A naught B D naught, A C naught. We have to fulfill this pattern with A B C D. So here D is missing, here C is missing, and here B and D both is missing. So we have to fill up this with those variables. So to fill up this, we have a rules. Suppose A plus A naught, this means 1. This is a Boolean expression. So A naught BC into 1, this means A naught BC. So when we multiply with variable some variable with 1, then it should be remain same as its previous look. So A naught BC into, we can write A plus A naught, but here we need D, so we write that D plus D naught. So here D will come. Next here C is missing, A naught B D naught C plus C naught. Here B and D both is missing, so first we will write B and next D plus A C naught B plus B naught. Now we just fulfill this equation with multiplication. A B C D plus A naught B C D naught plus this equation A naught B D naught C plus A naught B D naught C naught plus A C naught B plus A C naught B naught. So now we check that every part of this equation is with A, B, C, D. If not, then we will add this variable. So here A, B, C, D, it's okay. A, B, C, D, it's okay. A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. So here A, C, B, here D is missing. So we will add D with the same process. So A naught B C D, and one thing, we write this variable with this pattern. This means A, B, C, D for our further calculation. A naught B C D naught plus A naught B C D naught plus A naught B C naught D naught plus A C naught B D plus D naught plus A C naught B naught D plus D naught. So after this line we get A naught B C D plus A naught B C D naught plus A naught B C D naught plus A naught B C naught D naught plus A B C naught D plus A B C naught D naught and A B naught C naught D plus A B naught C naught D naught. Okay, now we check again that all the part of this equation with a b c d or not. So here a b c d, okay, a b c d, a b c d, a b c d, a b c d, and this is a b c d. So this format is okay for SOP. Now we will write down the value for this variable. So what is the rules for this? Okay, here as we have a b c d for variable, so to do binary calculation we need 4 digit also, 1 2 4 8. So here a means 8, b means 4, c means 2, and d means 1. So when it's one var we cannot take the value, and if it's on just a we take the value. That means if we set a bar on a, so here 8 is removed, but if we remain b same, then we take 4. Suppose here is c bar, then we remove 2. Suppose here is d, so 1. So what is the total value for this equation is 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So with these rules we done this equation. So here a bar b c d, that means 8 should be removed, and 4 2 1 total 7. Here 8 and 1 removed, so 4 and 2 6. Here 4 and 2 6 again. We should not repeat any value if we get this on previous. So as we write 6 here, we should not write 6 again. So here 8 4 2 1. Here just 4 will be taken. Okay, here 8 4 2 missing and 1. So 8 4 12 and 1 13. Here 8 4 12 c naught d naught. So 2 1 should be removed and 8 1 4 will be taken. So 8 4 12. Here 8 and 1 will be taken. So 9, and here just 8 will be taken. 8. Okay, this is the final equation from this a naught b c plus d naught plus a c naught. We done this process with SOP, and what we get, we use this value to set up a Kmap, and finally we do the simplification. Okay, so now we learn about Kmap. So what is Kmap? Kmap is a process to simplify any unsortable or simplifiable equation. We just need the value behind this equation, and we can easily set up a box, and finally from that box we can simplify it. So the rules to draw a Kmap box from a equation: if there is 4 variable, it is 2 to the power n. That means n means the total number of variable. So as there is 4 variable, so 4 16. This number indicates that this Kmap contains total 16 boxes. So if there is 3, suppose a b c, then 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. So for this type of equation, the Kmap we draw is containing 8 box. So as we have 4 variable for our equation, so we draw 16 box with this Kmap. So now we draw this box. There should be total 16 box. So okay, in 16 box Kmap, the rules for setup variable, this pattern carry CD and this pattern carry AB. So now we write them as A naught, B naught, A naught, B, AB, AB naught. All type of combination, and here as the same C naught, D naught, C naught D, CD, CD naught. Now we just numbering the box as per we told previously that 1 2 4 8 8 when A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. That means no value from this will be taken. So this is 0, this is just D 1, this is CD, that means 2 1 3, this is just C, that means 2. So with this process 4 5 7 6 here, so in this 8 9 11 10 12 13 15, 14. So we already done numbering for this number, and except this number all the box should carry 0. So here is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0. Now it's look like Kmap, and to simplify an equation with Kmap, after numbering this box, we have to take 2 pair of 1, at least 2 pair. Then we can take 4, 8 as per there. So here 1, 1, 1, 1. So 12, 13, 8 and 9. We can take a box for this with this 4 box, and here is 7 and 6, 7, 1, 2, and here 1 is remain alone. So we already said that to make any box we already need minimum 2 1. So as there is 1 1, we cannot make it as a single box. So but this pattern of this box and this pattern. So if we think about a Rubik's cube, so it's this part and this part, if we just adjust them, it will be on the same position, and each position and position will be same. So this one and this one should be make a box. So we already done with our all variables. So our box is complete. Now we will write the equation from this box, and it will be simplified. So the equation F is equal, the rules for making equation from Kmap. First we have to consider our box, then the column and row of this variable. So first this box we used C bar, D bar and C bar D, and in row wise we use AB and A B bar. So for this box, which variable will be changed, we cannot take them. So C naught, D naught, C naught, D. So sorry, which variable will change, we ignore them, and which variable remains same, we just pick up them. So here C naught, here also C naught, here D naught, here D change. So we removed D, we just take C naught from this column, and from these two row, here A, B, B naught. So for this row wise calculation, B is changed, so we cannot pick up B, we just pick up A bar. So for this box we get this equation, plus for this box there is two column also, CD, C, D bar. So as we said previously that the changeable variable we cannot pick up them, we just pick up the same. So here C, here C, here D, here D bar. So here D is changed, so we just remove them. So we take C from this box, and for A not B there is no sense, so A not B, plus for this box, this 1, 4 and 6. So here also two column is used, C bar, D bar and C, D bar. So here C bar, C, D bar, D. So in this column C variable is changed, so we take D bar, and also 2, so on row A bar, B. Okay, so this is the simplified equation for this SOP. That means what we will get in our SOP equation is it is the simplified form of this, and we finally done it with Kmap. And finally now I draw the logical expression from this simplified circuit. So finally we get our simplified equation from our main equation, and now we draw a logical circuit for this expression. So we said that we have to input 4 variables, A, B, C and D. So here is A, we need A naught also, so we need B, there is no B naught, so we do not need any B naught gate. We need C, we need C naught also, so we need D and D naught also. So first A naught, C naught. So this is and this is A naught, this is C naught and this is D naught. Okay, we need a AND gate to connect this variable. So here is A naught C naught, then A naught BC. So A naught, we need B, we need C. Another AND gate, A naught B C. We need A naught B D naught. So A naught, need B, and we need D naught. Another AND gate, D naught. So we get our AND equation. Now we fulfill this equation with OR gate. So this is first, this is second, and this is third, and finally with the OR gate we get F. Here F is the final output, A naught C naught plus A naught BC, A naught BD. So that's all about SOP with Kmap simplification, and finally we have done it. So thank you very much for watching this.